Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find items on sale in the Bimba Lola application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you're done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see the menu. Press on it and here you can select the third option, which is top sale. And after pressing on it, you will be able to find every clothing item that is on top sale at the moment. You can also apply filters to them in the top of your right corner, and you can just select the filters here that you want and press apply down below, and you will be able to see the items that have just appeared with those filters. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.